How to make consistent characters in AI images. For example, suppose you want to make a comic book or children's book and have the same character throughout the entire story. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do that using Midjourney AI. And real quick, if you don't know me, my name's Sabrina Ramonov. I previously built and sold an AI startup, and now I teach AI. And now I teach AI and now I teach AI education tips and tricks to hundreds of thousands of people. And now I teach AI education to hundreds of thousands of folks. So step one is to go to midjourney.com. So step one is to go to midjourney.com and then click create over here on the left side. And let's say we wanted to make a Filipino woman like myself in her mid 30s, lost in the wilderness. So we're going to first create our initial character. You can type anything you want to create the character, or if you have an image already or if you have an image you've already created, you can upload that into Midjourney as well. Okay, let's say we like this image the best and we want to use this as our character reference. Right click on this image, click use, and then click image. Okay, and this will set it up over here. Next, you want to click this icon, which makes it a character reference. Okay, so now if we type a different setting, so let's say picnic on the beach, Midjourney will use this photo as the character reference for this next set of images showing the same character having a picnic on the beach. Just remember to, okay, here we go. So you can see now the character reference. Okay, here we go. So you can see this image we used as a character reference now for all 4 of these images. And you can see the same outfit, the same general appearance. She's even wearing the same backpack. Now let's try it again, but change some of the more advanced settings. So I went ahead, right click that, enable use as character reference over here, the person icon, and then click the settings icon over here. So let's say we want to maximize like all of these settings, right? And just see what it produces. And let's go ahead with picnic on a beach again. You can see the variables that we set here. You can see the variables we set here, chaos, stylized, and weird. We set to the max levels. Now let's say you create an image somewhere else or you took a photo somewhere else and you want to use that as your character reference. Go ahead and click this and just click choose a file or drop it here. That way you can upload your custom image and then select that person icon on the image, which sets it as the character reference. So that's pretty much it. Super simple to do in that's pretty much it. Super simple to do in Midjourney. Other tools like Leonardo.ai also have this feature. It's called, in Leonardo, I believe it's called consistent character. And with both Leonardo and Midjourney, they specialize in non-human. So now you can create your character and then use it consistently in your children's book, storybook, comic book, etc. Stay tuned for my next YouTube video where I'll talk about how to make consistent characters and worlds within AI video.